Hey, 7th grade. So today we're going to continue talking about discounts and finding the discount amount and the price after the discount, which is the sales price. So the first thing is you could either use paper or you use the Nearpod, and the Nearpod here is going to give you the actual like problem, and it's going to be broken down for you if you need it. So it might be helpful for you. So let's get started. So it says Liza was shopping at the Nike outlet store. At the store, they said everything was 45% off. She found these shoes that she really liked that cost her $80. What is the discount amount in dollars? And what is the sales price after the discount? So we have to find two things. Okay, so the first thing is, what did we say yesterday? What we said yesterday was that the whole is always the original price. So here, the whole is $80. Okay, now the percent here is 45% off. So we're going to put 45% off. 45% off. And as we learned before, we have 45% is the same as 45 over 100, which is the same as 45 hundredths. And this part is so important. Like, you need to remember that this is 45 hundredths. I'm going to highlight it right here because that's what we're going to use. So now I have to figure out what is 45% of 80, and so the part is what we don't have, and it's the discount amount in dollars, which is what we're looking for. So first thing that we do is we set this up. Now if you have a piece of paper, you could definitely set it up like this to help you. So here's my equation. It's always the part equals the percent times the whole. So this is my equation right here. So I'm going to just plug in for today. Oops. Well, oh well. Alright, so the part is the percent times the whole. So the percent, we're going to use here the decimal, because it's 45%, it's not 45. I'm going to put 0.45 times the whole, and the whole is 80. So I'm going to multiply 45 hundredths with 80. Now let's practice how to do that, since a lot of you were forgetting how to multiply. So I'm going to do this in a different color. We have 80 times 45 hundredths. So 0 times 5 is 0. 8 times 5 is 40. 0 times 4 is 0. 8 times 4 is 30. Oops, I was going to put 28. is 32. And remember that these should be aligned so you don't mess up with the adding. So this gives me 0 because we shift place values. This gives me 0. This gives me 6. And this gives me 3. Okay. So there's two numbers behind the decimal here. No numbers behind the decimal, so what we get is $36. So what does that mean? So the part is $36, which means you get $36 off. So this is the discount, right? Because we found 45% of 80. So the discount is 36. So I need you guys to just type that here. You're going to type first 36 here. And then we're going to find what is the price of the shoes. So we're not done yet, right? We know that it's $36 off. What is the price now of the shoe? So To find the price of the shoe, well, I'm going to subtract 80 with 36. Because the discount is taking money off. So what we would get is, I think, 44. Now I'm doing this in my head because I'm trying to think about it. It's something for, I think this would be 44. Yep. Okay. So what we're going to do is type 44. Oops. So the sales price is $44. So that's a really great deal, which makes sense, right? Like, if it was 50% off, it would be around $40. So this makes sense. The sale price is $44. I'm going to put here, and then here you're going to put $44. And really that's it. So like every time you find a discount, okay, we figure out what's 45% of the total price. So here was 80. Once you find the discount amount, we subtract to find the total price. Just be aware of like the percent that you're using and what the percent represents. But this should have been helpful. If you need anything else, just let me know.